Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. I'm gonna do something a bit special with this video. I'm not gonna read everything up, only the first part, and I'm just gonna scroll a bit so you guys can just pause the video and see what it is that I've written. So my intention with this video is basically helping you guys understand that there is generally a difference between class A class versus class AB watts versus class D watts amplifiers. And this is just a video going into the sound characteristics of what they do that is different. Just to adjust your guys, what's it called? Expectations of where the sound is going and how much you can push that sound. So these are basically just guidelines on what I think is happening, and this is my opinion on me having listened to thousands of pieces of equipment. So I'm just gonna scroll through it, and you guys can just pause it and make up your mind. So basically, class A is, all in all, to wrap that up, is more natural, more free, more musical. It's more dramatic. It just feels it's kind of more flawed in a more realistic and natural way. Whereas the class AB watts in general are, I would say, more analytical, more technical, can seem mechanical and boring. It has a tendency of focusing more on the detail as separate pieces of information. But it also has an uncanny ability to somehow make space separation and create layering, and of course a more black background with more, what can you say, more bandwidth. So they both have their ups and downs. And I would say class D is usually, I haven't really heard any really good class D equipment. I generally find it very much like class AB, just more polite or more bright and mechanical. So I generally stay away from class D equipment because I find it too digital. That's all. Have a nice day.